Combustion section of jet engine. The combustion section houses the combustion process, which raises the temperature of the air passing through the engine. This process releases energy contained in the air-fuel mixture. The major part of this energy is required at the turbine or turbine stages to drive the compressor. About two-thirds of the energy is used to drive the gas generator compressor. The remaining energy passes through the remaining turbine stages that absorb more of the energy to drive the fan, output shaft, or propeller. Only the pure turbojet allows the air to create all the thrust or propulsion by exiting the rear of the engine in the form of a high-velocity jet. These other engine types have some jet velocity out the rear of the engine, but most of the thrust or power is generated by the additional turbine stages, driving a large fan, propeller, or helicopter rotor blades. The primary function of the combustion section is, of course, to burn the fuel-air mixture, thereby adding heat energy to the air. To do this efficiently, the combustion chamber must provide the means for proper mixing of the fuel and air to assure good combustion, burn this mixture efficiently, cool the hot combustion products to a temperature that the turbine inlet guide vanes/blades can withstand under operating conditions, and deliver the hot gases to the turbine section. The location of the combustion section is directly between the compressor and the turbine sections. The combustion chambers are always arranged coaxially with the compressor and turbine regardless of type, since the chambers must be in a through-flow position to function efficiently. All combustion chambers contain the same basic elements: 1. Casing 2. Perforated inner liner 3. Fuel injection system 4. Some means for initial ignition 5. Fuel drainage system to drain off unburned fuel after engine shutdown.